Are you tired of waking up early every morning? Well, here's some good news for you night owls out there. While early risers are often praised, there are actually some great benefits to waking up late. Let's take a look at 7 of them. First up, better sleep quality. If you're naturally inclined to be a night owl, forcing yourself to wake up early can disrupt your sleep cycle. By allowing yourself to sleep in, you can experience better quality sleep. Next, increased productivity. Believe it or not, some people find their peak productivity hours in the late evening or early morning. So, by waking up later, you can align your work schedule with your natural rhythm, resulting in increased productivity. Another benefit of waking up late is reduced stress. Lack of sleep can contribute to stress, but by getting enough sleep and waking up later, you can help reduce stress levels and feel more relaxed. For all the creative individuals out there, here's some good news. Many find their minds more active at night, so waking up later can give you more time to explore your creative side and unleash your imagination. Adequate sleep is essential for maintaining a positive mood, and that's exactly what waking up late can offer. By giving yourself enough rest, you can ensure a better mood throughout the day. Sleep plays a crucial role in consolidating memories, and waking up later can give your brain more time to process and store information. So, if you want to improve your memory, consider adjusting your wake-up time. Lastly, waking up later can actually lead to increased energy throughout the day. It might seem counterintuitive, but when you're getting enough quality sleep and waking up later, you'll have more energy to tackle the day ahead. Remember, while these benefits exist, it's important to find a balance that works for you. If you consistently feel tired or struggle to function, it may be worth exploring other factors that could be affecting your sleep. So embrace your night owl nature, enjoy the benefits of waking up late, and make sure to prioritize your sleep for a healthier and happier you.